Welcome back to part 3. Get ready with me for my utility play. Do you want the strips?
I'll take it mine, baby. Thank you.
Take you guys with. Thank you. Mom, I'm putting it next to the air fryer.
Oh, yeah?
I'm putting it next to the air fryer. I need juice. I need juice. I need juice.
Not a lot. Not a lot. I'll just fill it now.
Give me my bag, please, Mom. I'm gonna pick it.
Sorry?
My bag.
I did. Just the juice was coming there.
Bro, I wanted to pick it.
Oh, no, it was cigarette was in toilet paper.
This is a hole with my mouth put in. You didn't put anything in here.
What was coming there? Only your juice must go in. You said that's all that you want.
I said my phone.
Yeah, but you was busy on your phone. So put your phone in.
I'm putting a cigarette somewhere else.
No, it must be in front of you. I can squash in the bag.
Avril, there's a compartment here.
Okay.
So that and your lighter in there.
Come get down, I'm going outside soon.
Thingy. Anything you want to take away? You're gonna get that undressed at the church, Suma. I put extra clothes in.
Huh?
Gonna put like a shorts in for me.
Shorts?
Yeah, for when we're done with the play.
What shorts?
I always say that to Mama.
Gee, it's a shorts.
Avril, what do you use in CEO? Yo, I don't like this. Unless I can just stretch this out. Ow! Oh my god. So. That's just what's in my bag. Bye. Okay. There's nothing in here.